coastal walk. I'm gonna go and find the cross on the church hill. Not been here before, so I'm parked just on the opposite side of that bridge. You can probably see it in the background, and then following a little trail down. It should take me to the dunes and where the Churchill crosses. I've also got some exciting news I'm going to share with you in a little bit for some plans I have in the summer, so stay tuned for that. So I can see the cross quite clearly, it's just behind me there, but I'm not sure the actual path to go, because right now I'm walking just through the dunes to get up to there, but I think I need to go around here and somehow find another path to get up. I'm sure everything will become clear when I get there, but right now it doesn't seem the most clear route. We'll see. Yeah, so I found the cross. There must be an easier way to get here, to be honest. I just didn't find the path. I went across the sand dunes, but still quite fun. A little bit of a adventure across the dunes, so that's quite nice. And yeah, you can see Alnmouth on the other side of the estuary here. And then the beach over there as well. It's quite pretty here. I think I'm going to have a quick sandwich, coffee, and then maybe fly my drone. It's a little bit busy, there's a couple of people here, so with the dog as well, so I don't want to annoy them too much with the drone because it's a little bit noisy. But if they disappear, I'll take my drone up and then I'm going to walk along the beach back to the car, I think. So yeah, see you soon. So I've been to the cross on top of the hill now, the church hill. It was quite fun. I managed to fly my drone as well. It was a little bit windy, so didn't stay here for too long. Brought it back down. But yeah, it was fun. Now I'm just walking on the beach. The great thing about beaches in Northumberland is they're so big and there's hardly anyone on them. So yeah, the big thing I wanted to tell everyone is I'm going to be doing the West Highland Way in about 6 weeks time, at the start of June, and I'm trying to raise money for a mental health charity called Mind. So I'll put the link in the comments below if you feel like contributing. Every penny helps, to be honest. So yeah, there's a group of guys, I think there's 5 of us doing it. We're just walking from Tyndrum to Fort William, so the north section of the walk, over 4 days. So yeah, I'm quite excited about that. It should be quite fun. And like I said, it's for charity, so every bit of money that I raise helps someone. Yeah, so I also want to give a shout out to Raimondo Lee Travel, another YouTuber. A couple of weeks ago he gave me a shout out and helped me get a few more subscribers. So yeah, really thank you, Raimondo. And yeah, give him a watch. If you like his content, then subscribe to him as well. Definitely feel very lucky to be able to come to beaches like this in Northumberland. Like, it's just on our doorstep, hardly anyone's here, lovely long stretches of sand. Alright, so that's me nearly back in the car now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Remember to give me a like and subscribe.